How's it working? Huh? Can you feel it plug? When you're underwater and it's plugged, blow out real hard. Yeah?
Yeah, it works.
Cool.
It's gonna keep the water out even when you're blowing out.
They fog up pretty fast, but need to get some of the anti-fog.
Yeah, I got when I first went into this logo, when I splashed in there, a little bit trickled down.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, same thing happened to me, but it purged real easy out the front, so.
yeah. Started.
Cool.
Alright, little man. Mama's used to it up to her waist.
I'm going to do it too.
Oh man, let me see you swim. Because you know you can touch, so this is the perfect place to practice.
It seals pretty quick.
Yeah, that's good.
Swim to grandma. Okay?
I got a little bit of water, but it purged very well.
Oh, doesn't it feel
That's good.
Yeah.
on my back?
You can stop.